Welcome back. Today we're going to look at the thermal suite on the Carnival Panorama. This thermal suite is really nice. It has a lot of hot beds, several steam rooms, and a beautiful view out the windows. it also has an infrared room as well. So this is probably one of my favorite thermal suites that I've been on. I'm probably slaughtering the name on this, but this is the hammam chamber. It's basically a steam room. You can see the bowls in these corners. Those are cold water. I'm not sure about the purpose, but it is interesting. Now, there's one of these showers on... Sorry, let's clean up the camera. There's one of these showers on either side of the room. These are one of my favorite things. They have a rain shower head, rain noises. They also have like aromatherapy that comes out. They have vents on all the sides. Love these. These are probably my favorite part of the thermal suite. Up next is the aromatherapy steam room. Here is just a pretty regular steam room, but they do have essential oils that come out as well that smell wonderful and do good things for your body. Over here is the infrared sauna and like the basic regular steam room. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.